is he gonna survive after that? Show is over. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Binge Queen here, and I'm back with another video today. Today, I'm going to be getting into the first episode of Chainsaw Man, which I am super excited for because I've heard great things regarding the manga, and once I saw the trailer, I was like, whoa, these visuals are amazing. So I'm super excited to kind of see what it's about. Like, the name seems kind of self-explanatory, but you really never know what you're gonna get when it comes to anime. So I'm ready to go ahead and get into it and see what's gonna go on. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and let me know if Chainsaw Man is one of your favorite manga and how you felt about the first episode. Let's go ahead and get into the show. Who is this heavy breathing? My ear. But the shadow did not look like it was somebody with a chainsaw on their head, so I don't know. What the hell was that noise? I wonder if that was the little dog from the trailer.
Whoa.
So he's been selling body parts? Isn't that illegal? Wait! Why? Oh my god. So he just out there one nutting it. Okay. How the f does he get 38 million yen in debt? Oh, Pochita, he's so cute. Okay, so he's a devil hunter. Okay, I did not know that. I thought he was the one who had the chainsaw on his head, but the dog has the chainsaw on his head? Like, I don't know. I'm kind of confused on that.
Denjiiii.
Denji.
報酬は40万だ。そっから借金と利子引いて17万。
Damn.
残りが7万。落ちた。今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
That's whack. He did all the work. Like, what the fuck?
なんで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな、俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞ。それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
おい、犬！このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
Fuck you.
ああ。
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
I was about to say, where the money, bitch?
ね。これで3日は食えるね。
Aww, he's so cute.
普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし、デートする金もねえ。夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
Is that just like all guys' dreams?
今月の分を払わねえうちに首つりやがって。ガキ、物乞いするなり体を売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Oh my god! They are hardcore! Oh, he's so cute! Oh no!
悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。 は契約だ。
Oh, they're so cute. He was all trying to be all tough and stuff, but really he was fucked up. Aw.
俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Aw.
いいだろ。
Is he dying for real?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血入って死ん。
Damn. So I guess since he's dying, I bet like someone's gonna try to change him into a devil so that he can heal. And then he'll just have to like suck on someone's blood or something. I don't know.
デンジ悪魔が
Oh Lord. I thought somebody was about to tell him he gotta get the out.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
Why the isn't he answering?
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。犬みてえに従順だし、でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Wow.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔を殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんなそいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
But I mean, those zombies look trash though. Like, what are they even gonna do? They can barely walk. They got eyes hanging out and like, at least like if the zombies was running all fast and you know like parkouring around the whole damn place, that would be some legit power. But they really just ain't doing shit. Like, this is trash. I give up my whole life for this? Hell no.
出口や。
They can't even walk over. Oh, okay. Some of them did walk over it. All right. Oh, this zombie moving. They're stabbing him the fuck up. Oh my god, it's like 4 of them stabbing his ass. How the fuck is he gonna survive after that? Show is over. Wow, and then they just threw them away? Okay.
落ちた。俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら俺の体をポチタにあげて、俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Damn, they really f***ed his ass up. They chopped his ass up. So is Pochita in his body? Like, did they merge?
ポチタ。俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
私はデンジの夢。
Wait, he can talk?
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
傷が。
So he just pulls the string and then he turns into the chainsaw head guy?
俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。
I miss Pochita!
邪魔すんなら。 And
Any day now, pop up with the chainsaw head. He looks so creepy. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Come on, Denji. Get that ass up. Let's go. Bruh. You have chainsaws on your arms. How? He even got the devil scared. And that's what happens when you have an army of zombies. Okay? Period. They can't do shit for you. Yes, they did. Yes, you should. Period. Them up. And that's instant karma, bitch. Karma. Ooh, the pink braid. Love.
先を越されたね。
A slaughter.
生きてるのがいますね。
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
だかす。
Why though? Like, what's the hug for? So hugs deactivated?
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は？
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
So is this his love interest?
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に変われるか。
I mean, obvious choice here.
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー。
Oh, he finally gets his bread and jam.
最高じゃないっすか。
Okay, that was cute. I mean, I was definitely shocked at the beginning when he was talking about selling body parts to pay off this debt or whatever. But, you know, they went and said that his dad died and he had a big ass debt. That's tragic. And then they try to kill him so that they can have zombie power. Like, really? Zombie power? That's what you're giving up this devil hunter for? Like, y'all can't even do shit. Like, y'all can't even think. Like, all you can do is follow orders. Like, why would anybody want that? Like, they look dumb. They look dumb. Period. They look dumb. But Pochita, he's so cute. I'm so sad that he's gone. He was just an adorable little sidekick, and he only got like a few minutes in the episode, really. But yeah, I mean, I wasn't really expecting like Pochita to give him his heart, and then like basically like, you know, he got the power from him. I don't know why I thought that like he was born with it. I don't know how that would even work, but I thought it was a cool idea how that all happened. And the animation style of this show and like even the action scenes and everything, like they they put some money into this, okay? Because it was looking real good. But yeah, I'm interested to see like what else Denji is gonna do now that he's gonna be fed up with this girl with the pink hair, which I'm assuming is gonna be his love interest in the show. It seemed like they kind of had a vibe. So yeah, I'm excited to see more Chainsaw Man in the future. If you are too, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and let me know what your favorite part of the first episode was. As you guys know, I am the Binge Queen, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!